Greetings, salutations. This is Notorious. Have you realized the bad fox is here to read you a poem? This one is entitled Pimpin' Ain't Easy, His Point of View. This was inspired by Miles DF. You will see the link in the artwork now. Well then, for the say, let's break some eardrums. Pimpin' ain't easy, nor does it have to be sleazy, as you can't blame me simply because I knew how to work the game the moment I came into this limelight. For I tend to ignore the strife of others, not because I can't grasp what they're putting down, but because I can't stand the sound of least resistance as they seem to have forgotten what it's like to put their nose to the ground and pound away at the struggles. But I get it that life is not the most huggable bitch, but she is respectful and fair and one willing to give you if you're willing to give back and act as if every day with her is your last. And if you're willing to show that sort of moxie, that foxy lady will have no issue letting you pimp her out as she pimps you out to show the rest of those who fail to understand that pimping ain't easy, but if you want to play my game, it's the only way you're gonna beat me. Let's see how that sounds. This is Notorious. I'm out. Deuces.
My crown away, I'll take my place, show it my face, whatever